In this video, we're going to use the area to find the cost of laying carpet, putting down flooring, covering the area of an object. The first thing you need to do is realize what type of object they're talking about. For this one, it says it's a square. So I'm going to draw a square, and I'm going to label the square. Square says each side is 5 yards. The school wants to cover this entire area or replace this carpet in this area. The cost is $74.06 per square yard. I need to figure out the area of this object first. And to figure out the area of a square, it's base times height. Both the base and the height are the same. That's 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25 yards squared. For each yard, it's going to cost $74.06. So for 25 yards, I need to take 25 and multiply it to $74.06. And use my calculator. 25 times 74.06, $1,851.50. This 0.5, there's another zero. Have to put that zero, especially when I'm dealing with money. Example number 2. In example number 2, they're going to install carpet in this room. They give you the dimensions of the room, 8 yards by 5 yards. First thing I need to do is determine what the area of this room is. The area is going to be base times height. Base is 8, height is 5. Multiply those together, I get 40 yards squared. For each yard, it's going to cost $6.84. For 40 yards, I need to multiply it to $6.84. So 40 times $6.84, $273.60. Make sure you put that zero down there on the end.